Welcome to Gear Grinders. Today we're diving into one of the most powerful icons in the performance cruiser segment, the new 2026 Yamaha VMAX V4. Known for its raw muscle, unmistakable attitude, and thrilling acceleration, the VMAX has always stood as a legend among power cruisers. For 2026, Yamaha refines this beast for a new generation, blending advanced engineering with its signature brute force performance. Let's take a closer look at what's new and why this VMAX V4 is more exciting than ever. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Yamaha VMAX V4 arrives with a bolder, more sculpted exterior that highlights its muscular stance. The redesigned bodywork features sharper lines, updated air scoops, and a more aggressive lighting setup that enhances its road presence. New color options and premium finishes add a modern touch, while maintaining the unmistakable silhouette fans have always loved. The improved seating design and ergonomic refinements ensure both comfort and control during high-speed rides. Performance and powertrain. At the heart of the 2026 VMAX sits the legendary V4 engine, now enhanced for smoother power delivery and even stronger mid-range performance. Yamaha has improved cooling efficiency and reduced overall weight for better handling and acceleration. The upgraded transmission and refined ride-by-wire system offer precise throttle control, giving riders a more responsive connection to the road. Whether you're cruising highways or launching from a standstill, the VMAX delivers unmatched excitement, safety, and technology. Yamaha equips the new VMAX V4 with advanced electronics, including updated traction control, improved ABS, and multiple ride modes tailored for different riding styles. The new digital instrument cluster provides clear and customizable information, while Bluetooth connectivity allows riders to manage settings through a dedicated app. With better stability control and enhanced braking performance, the 2026 model feels smarter and more secure than ever. Conclusion. The 2026 Yamaha VMAX V4 continues the legacy of one of the most powerful cruisers ever built, now refined with modern technology, sharper styling, and improved performance. Whether you're a longtime VMAX fan or a rider seeking unmatched power, this new model delivers an unforgettable experience. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more motorcycle reviews, news, and first looks at the machines that define performance.